to solve this question and succeed on the test, let's listen to Niccolo Machiavelli, who famously observed, "The ends justify the means." Always remember that we must be willing to challenge conventional approaches and think creatively to achieve the best possible outcomes. You're presented with three cool-looking triangles, which have a circle with the number on the top. First triangle has number 2 on the top, numbers 1, 4, 7 on the outside, and number 6 in the middle, inside another gray triangle. The second triangle has number 1 on the top, numbers 2, 6, and 9 on the outside, and number 7 in the middle. And here comes the third triangle. It has numbers 3, 4, and 9 on the outside, and 2 missing numbers, 1 on the top, and second missing number in the middle. Your goal is to detect the pattern and calculate both missing numbers, selecting your answers out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 2 and 6, choice B, 1 and 4, choice C, 2 and 5, and choice D, 1 and 6. Make sure to lock in your answer before time runs out. Once you're done, I'll join you on the other side and we'll go over the solution together. Let's go ahead and get started. Time's up. Do you have your answer ready? I truly hope so, because even though shapes look complicated, you would be amazed how simple the solution actually is. Let's start with the first triangle. Starting on the top, there are 3 numbers, 2, 4, and 6. Guess what? 2 plus 4 equals 6. And if we look at the bottom of the shape, 1 plus 6 equals 7. In fact, middle number inside the gray triangle is calculated as sum of 2 top numbers, and the bottom right number is calculated as the sum of the numbers on the left. Let's verify this pattern with the second shape. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 2 plus 7 equals 9. And you know what time it is now? It's the magic time to calculate the missing number. Well, since there are 2 missing numbers, we need to start our calculations by doing the bottom number, the number inside of the gray triangle. To calculate it, we need to do a subtraction. 9 minus question mark equals 3, which means that question mark could be calculated as 9 minus 3 and would be equal 6. Now we have everything we need to calculate the top number. 6 minus 4 equals question mark, and question mark would be equal 2. So the correct answer here is choice A, 2 and 6. But wait, are you ready for more? Try this question to see how you would do. You are presented with 3 triangles. Each triangle has number on the top inside the circle. First shape has number 3 on the top, numbers 1, 4, and 8 on the outside, and number 7 in the middle, inside of the gray triangle. Second shape has number 1 on the top, numbers 3, 3, and 7 on the outside, and number 4 in the middle. And then the third shape only has numbers on the outside, which are 2, 3, and 9. 2 numbers are missing. You need to detect the pattern, calculate the missing numbers, and select your answer out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 2 and 7. Choice B, 4 and 7, choice C, 2 and 5, and choice D, 4 and 6. Once you've determined your answer, post it in comments and I'll give you my feedback. Good luck with this intriguing challenge. Here's an amazingly cool question to help boost your analytical abilities. A mutual fund charges an annual management fee of $120 for a portfolio worth $10,000. It also offers 25% discount for portfolios worth $15,000 or more. Your goal is to calculate the annual management fee for the portfolio of $15,000. And your choices for the answers are choice A, $85, choice B, $100, choice C, $135, and choice D cannot be determined. Just like on the real test, your goal is to understand the question and lock in your answer before timer is up. Once you're ready, we'll reconnect on the other side and review it together. Let's go ahead and get started. Time's up. Do you have your answer ready? I hope so, because the solution here is simple but not obvious, so let's solve it together. The best way to approach these types of question is to calculate management fee as a percentage. To do it, let's divide 120 by 10,000. If you go to original question, you will see that this is the only known fact. Annual management fee of $120 for a portfolio worth $10,000, which means that our non-discounted management fee is 1.2%. Now we are ready to solve this problem in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Calculate the fee for a $15,000 portfolio without a discount. 15,000 multiplied by 1.2% equals 180. In step 2, let's apply the 25% discount. 180 multiplied by 0.25 discount equals $45. And in step 3, let's subtract the discount from the initial fee. 180 minus 45 equals $135, which means that the final annual management fee for a $15,000 portfolio after the discount is $135. And the correct answer here is choice C, 135. A mutual fund charges an annual management fee of $100 for a portfolio worth $8,000, but offers a 20% discount for portfolios worth $12,000 or more. How much would the annual management fee be for a $12,000 portfolio? Your choices for the answers are choice A, $120, choice B, $96, choice C, $150, and choice D cannot be determined. After you've calculated your answer, post it in comments and I'll share my feedback. Enjoy solving this cool problem. What is the most important thing you can find in the corporate world? Nope, it's not the coffee machine, it's annual goals. And the perfect word to describe them is exactly the one you need to guess. Because in this question, you are presented with 5 letters. You need to rearrange and guess the word. And here's the caveat. You only can use each letter once. So it's time to put your detective hat on, because we are hunting down the holy grail of corporate happiness. And here's the hint for you. It's not an extra PTO paid time off day. Sorry, just the 3 letters there. And make sure to take your time with this particular question. Or just keep rearranging the letters until it starts making sense. Or maybe it never does. Time's up. Do you have your answer ready? The answer is bonus. It is spelled B-O-N-U-S. And here's the pro tip for you. If you're trying to figure out this question in the office, make sure to shout it out loud, because bonus is one word that can grab everyone's attention faster than unexpected Friday off. And now it's your turn. Are you ready for more? Try this question to see if you are ready for the corporate world. You're presented with 5 letters. T, D, U, I, and A. You need to guess a word, and you need to use each letter only once. And here's the hint for you. When you hear this word in the office, the correct response is a gasp followed by a suspicious glance at the accounting department. Trust me, it's an instinct. Need more help? Here you go. This word has the power to make even the bravest of corporate warriors break out in a cold sweat. But don't worry. As long as you can spell it correctly, you're probably not in trouble yet. Here's what we're gonna do. Once you've determined your answer, post it in comments and I'll give you my feedback. Good luck with this intriguing challenge. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you for helping us to become one of the largest YouTube channels to help people become smarter, increase your IQ, and to pass any test. If the content of this video was helpful, please make sure to click the like button to help YouTube algorithm promote this video and help other people to find it faster. Giving us a like is also a way for you to tell us that you need more content like this, and when you tell us, we will deliver it for you in the future. For links to free and premium resources, please check the description and comments of this video. You can also go directly to our website, howtoanalyzedata.net, to download the materials related to this topic. I really appreciate your endorsement, support, and patronage of this channel. And thank you for considering to become a member and considering to subscribe. Please leave feedback, suggestions, or corrections in comments. And all the best on your journey. I'll see you in my next video.